Hi, it's Tom here at the J&S Leeds store. Just going to do a quick follow-on video from Jake's video at the Northwich store, who did the Scala Rider products, and he did an excellent installation video on the Scala Rider, which should be both linked down in the description below. I'll show you more of an in-depth guide on how to set up your new Scala Rider system. The first thing I'd recommend is that you give it a nice overnight charge. With it being a lithium battery, first charge is always the best charge. Now moving on to the second step, we're going to power on the Scala Rider freecom, which we do that by pressing the intercom button, which is located at the front of the kit. We hold that in until it starts flashing blue. Once that's done, it'll start to turn on. Now we're going to start to search for a Bluetooth device, which we do by holding the handheld button, which is at the back. We hold that in until it starts flashing blue and red, which is normally about 4 seconds in. When it's flashing blue and red, it's now able to search for a Bluetooth device, which I'll use by my phone that's just down here. Now, when we're searching for a Bluetooth device, the name of the system you want to be looking for is a Freecom 1. When we do find that on your phone, you want to connect to it. Now, while it's connecting to it, which it has just done now, it'll start to flash a pink sort of purple light. Once that has, it means it's connected, which is we're now ready to use. Now that the Freecom unit's connected to my phone, I'll be able to use it with music. I'll be able to phone people while I'm on the go, and you'll be able to use voice commands on there as well. And now for the third step, we're going to connect to a GPS device, which is going to be the same route as we've done before, connected to the mobile phone, but we're going to add a couple of extra buttons in for it. Now to do that, like I say, the handheld button that we had before, hold that down until it starts flashing blue and red. And now that's doing that, all we do is, same with the handheld button, double press that, and then it will change to a green and a red light. Now at the minute it's searching for a Bluetooth channel 2, it's still searching for a phone, but we don't want that, so what we're going to do, press the button at the top, the plus button, press that in, and it'll start to flash a slower light. Now let's search for that, it's searching for a GPS specific Bluetooth device, so it'll be easy to connect to say stuff like your TomToms or your Garmin's or any other GPS devices that you have. Now that you've got your GPS and your mobile phone connected to your Freecom unit, they will work simultaneously together. For instance, if I was out on a ride and I was listening to music and a turn was coming up ahead, the volume of my music would automatically turn down for my GPS then to give me the direction I need to go in, and then my music would then automatically turn back up to the volume that it was currently at. After all these steps, your Freecom system should be good to go. If you have any questions or you have any queries about the Freecom devices, be sure to comment in the section below, and don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Tom at J&S Leeds.